Hello YouTube family, make sure that you subscribe and hit the like notification bell to my channel as I show you more of the beautiful Dominican Republic. It's a beautiful day out here at the beach today. We decided to come to the beach and just enjoy ourselves. It's warm. Get your shoes. It's warm and nice out here at the beach today, so we just decided to come out and make it a beach day. We have more tourists here at our private beach that's enjoying the beach today. More families out today, just enjoying themselves and having a great time today. I hope everyone else is having a blessed and prosperous day and enjoying their day, enjoying their life while they still have life, enjoying each and every moment that you can spend on the day of the earth. Continue to enjoy life, continue to have a blessed and prosperous day. And like I said, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get the latest updates on our videos as we travel the DR and as we travel around the world. Shalom.